From impossible moments to intense fails, these heavy machinery clips get increasingly satisfying as the video goes on, until we reach the most satisfying clips of the video. Starting with this Tatra 8x8 truck that conquers terrain most vehicles would never dare touch. This beast weighs approximately 15 tons and proves its exceptional maneuverability at the 2023 truck trial event, making impossible climbs look like child's play through pure engineering excellence and operator skill. Ferry crossings become nightmares when things go wrong. This Ural truck loaded with heavy pipes was preparing to board what seemed like a routine ferry crossing. But when the ferry wasn't properly docked and started floating away, disaster struck. The truck driver had no choice but to watch helplessly as his massive rig began its unplanned water adventure. Fortunately, nobody was injured in this shocking mishap. Russian forests test even the toughest machines and operators. This TT4 demonstrates why it's earned the nickname Beast as it battles through challenging terrain to rescue a stranded trailer. The dense forest environment pushes both machine and operator to their absolute limits, requiring years of experience to navigate safely through such unforgiving conditions. Antarctica presents the ultimate test for heavy machinery. This winter traverse tractor, escorted by 2 Hägglunds vehicles, returns to KC Station after a grueling 4-day journey to Law Dome Summit for critical maintenance activities. Operating in sub-zero temperatures with howling winds, these operators work in conditions that would defeat most machines and challenge even the most experienced professionals. The VTN scrap Shear CI 7000 turns demolition into an art form. Watching this powerful attachment systematically dismantle an entire bulldozer piece by piece is both mesmerizing and terrifying. The precision required to safely break down such massive machinery demonstrates the incredible engineering behind modern demolition equipment and the skill needed to operate it effectively. Cliffside excavation reaches new heights of danger and precision. This expert operator continues carving a road through a dangerously steep, rocky cliff using a powerful Tata Hitachi excavator. Every movement demands absolute control and experience, as one wrong move could send a machine tumbling down a mountainside. This high-risk construction brings hope of connection to remote villages. And by the way, if you've been enjoying this so far, make sure to subscribe to Bright Future Tech, like the video, and drop a comment below about your favorite moments of this compilation. Forest road construction becomes an epic battle against nature. This Caterpillar D6, our XL bulldozer, pushes through incredibly dense vegetation, scraping and leveling dirt to create access roads where none existed before. The operator's patience and skill shine as they methodically clear massive trees and reshape the forest floor into usable pathways. When articulated dump trailers overturn, it takes serious firepower to set things right. 2 excavators joined forces in South Charleston back in 2004 to rescue this overturned trailer behind what's now an ice rink. The coordinated effort between multiple operators demonstrates the teamwork and precision required when heavy machinery rescue operations get complicated and dangerous. Sometimes even a mighty fall, and that's when true operator skill shines brightest. This Volvo motor grader found itself in serious trouble off-road, requiring rescue from both a Komatsu excavator and an SD 300 wheel loader. The combined effort showcases how experienced operators work together, using different machine strengths to overcome seemingly impossible situations and get everyone back to work.